Recently, the internet was rocked by a teaser from Kawasaki that hinted at the return of the legendary two-stroke engine. The teaser sent shockwaves through forums and social media, leaving everyone wondering, could this be the spark of a revival of the two-stroke engine in the modern motorcycle world? And guess what? Suzuki might just be getting ready to join the party. For those of you who lived through the golden era of dirt bikes, you'll remember the iconic Suzuki RM two-stroke. First introduced in 1976, it quickly became a legend on the off-road circuit. With its lightweight agility, massive power, and the unmistakable roar of its two-stroke engine, the RM 250 dominated the track and rallies for decades until its last production run in 2008. It wasn't just a bike, it was an unbridled statement of pure performance that defined an era. Fast forward to the present, and there are already rumors of a possible revival. Imagine the perfect blend of vintage charm we all love with cutting-edge technology and modern performance enhancements. So here it is, folks. Welcome the new Suzuki RM two-stroke 2025. The 2025 Suzuki RM two-stroke. The long-awaited legend is reborn, inspired by the renderings of renowned designer JMNC, who envisioned a dirt bike that pays homage to the original RM 250. The new RM 250 retains its signature yellow and blue racing livery, in homage to the classic RM series. The aggressive styling is enhanced by the sleek and lightweight aluminum frame, designed for maximum agility on the track. Gold-anodized inverted forks provide the ultimate in suspension performance. At the heart of the bike is a revitalized 250 cubic centimeter two-stroke engine, refined for modern emission standards while maintaining the iconic high revs. The expansion chamber on the exhaust is carefully shaped to deliver optimal torque, providing instant throttle response and the exhilarating feel that two-stroke motorcycle enthusiasts crave. Unfortunately, this beautiful dirt bike is still just speculation, but if Suzuki does bring back the two-stroke RM in 2025, it could mark a new era for two-stroke motocross, reviving competition with Kawasaki's rumored revival of the two-stroke.